Hello everyone, once again, this is Nelson here on Brain System 3 with Adrian, doing the Module 1 practice 4, we're doing groups and stuff. We need to create files, I guess. We need to create files, sorry about that. So now we're talking about creating so understand we're creating files and modifying properties and modifying stuff, right? So we're gonna start with creating a directory, right? Let's make directory. That's the way. Make there. That's the way you create a directory, and then you specify what the name is. You can specify a path, I guess, but we are already. If you see print working directory, we know we're on the home from our user, so we are going to use the. We're just gonna make it here, and this is just so you guys understand. I'm doing this in English, but this class is in Spanish, and we need to take the requirements from whatever this is, and we're gonna be doing it in Spanish. It's gonna be called materia. All right, we made that. So if we do uh list files, we have it there. I really don't like that color. It would be cool if I could change it, but I don't think I can. So here it is. All right. Yeah, I guess I could change if I get a software for it. And I do have a, I don't, I have a software to SSH, but this is straight on the VM, so I don't have software. Anyways, if we list it is in there, so we're gonna change into it. And I want it to create a file called student. Now, there are multiple ways to create a file. I'm gonna do is just gonna echo. I can touch it. I can touch the name of the file. I'm gonna echo nothing into estudiante.txt. Now for list files, we know that estudiante is in there. But now we need to edit it using vi, which is a way you could do it. So I'm gonna click I so I can start things, and I need to put my name in. I'll put my name in it, and then I click escape, colon, right quit. There it is. So if we cut it, it is in there, right? So, okay, so if we list it, then I see that everyone can read it. But I need to make it so my group can read it too, but I need to make it so only I can read and write it, and my group cannot. So I guess it's security 7. So I'm gonna chmod. I'm gonna chmod it. And I'm gonna just take permissions out. I guess I'll make it 600. Sets execute. Right? I guess that's the way it is, right? Let me make it this way, and then I'm gonna know which one is which. I'm gonna make it 4, 2, 1, because I don't remember, and then I'm gonna list it, and I know that. Okay, so 1 is execute, write is 2, and read is 4. Got it. So I'm gonna go back to CH mode, and I'm gonna do. I need to read and write, which is the permissions. I'm gonna do sets. Then everyone else has got 4. There you go. And if I do it again, then only I have absolute control of the file, which is a requirement. Because as you saw at things, right? So CH mode, you get it from binary. So 4 is read, 2 is write, and 1 is execute. And then the order is the first number corresponds to the user, second number corresponds to the group, and the third number corresponds to everyone else. So I'll modify permission so only the group can have total control, which means right for this one. There's other permissions, or like set UID and some other stuff, but this is beyond the scope of this. So I'm gonna be siege mode, and I'm gonna have it just I have access, but then my group has control. You see, I can only read it. So if I go to uh, Nico hello, and I'm gonna append that to see permission denied. I don't have access to it. So that's it, right? So now I need to create an old folder. Let's go out of this one. It's gonna be called Materia 2. And now my student, I need to copy whatever is in materia, right? And I'm gonna copy that to uh there it is. I think I can do that, right? And if I then go a list files, and there you go. So if I do this, I'll listen the files in Materia 2, then let's copy to Materia 2. That's the way it works. Um, so now I'm gonna delete the first one. So I'm gonna remove recursively Materia. And I'll do. And now if I list my files outside, I only have Materia 2. That's how you remove recursively. Because if it's a directory, you need to remove recursively. You can do I think that's one. Yeah, you can do RM there to remove directories, but I think that this only applies. There you go. It removes a directory. I think I can move my mouse. Here it is. It removes a directory or a multiple directories if they are empty. If they are empty. If they are not empty, they are not gonna delete the directories. I mean, you need to use remove recursively to delete directories that have things in it, which is rm. Go back in rm dash r. This is recursive. There you go. So I guess this is it. I'm gonna remove materials. Just why not? If you don't sudo it, then it's gonna ask you, and you do yes. Then it's done. If you sudo it, it's just like, hey, you don't care about that. I'm gonna delete it. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And it's fucking awesome.